A peaceful morning on the shores of Russia. Suddenly the earth rips open beneath the ocean. A magnitude 8.8 earthquake shakes the seafloor, and the sea turns violent. Sirens blare across Japan, Hawaii, and the USA. Mega-Tsunami is forming, and the clock is ticking. This isn't just about one wave, it's about survival. The energy spreads rapidly across the Pacific Ocean. A massive wall of water begins to rise, 20, 30, then 40 meters high. A red tsunami alert flashes. Emergency evacuations begin. People are running, sirens are wailing, and military trucks deploy barriers. Waves crash into ports in the Kuril Islands and Kamchatka. Floods sweep away cars, houses, and infrastructure. Ships are tossed onto land, piers destroyed. Screams and chaos fill the air, mixed with the roar of water and broken alarms. Japan's eastern coast braces for impact. Bullet trains halt, schools evacuate. In Hawaii, tourists are moved to higher ground and stores close down. On the US West Coast, early warnings broadcast on phones and television. Global panic is starting to rise as newscasters report across continents. Coastal cities are overwhelmed, roads vanish underwater, bridges collapse. Power outages and communication blackouts spread. Water sources become contaminated, and damaged nuclear plants threaten disaster just like Fukushima. People panic buy, supply chains break down, and hospitals become hard to reach. Wildlife suffers, marine life is pushed inland, fisheries are destroyed. The economic damage runs into the billions across nations. From space, Earth glows with the impact zones of the wave. Data shows wave speeds reaching up to 800 kilometers per hour, racing toward the US, Japan, and beyond. This wasn't just a wave, it was a warning. As sea levels rise and the Earth shifts beneath us, the question is no longer if a mega-tsunami will strike again, but when. The ocean is speaking. Will we listen in time?